Hello guys, and welcome back to the channel. Guys, today I'm going to talking about a method on how to get your your hacked and banned Facebook account reinstated. So let's dive straight into it, my friends. There is a Reddit post I found, and someone had a problem where someone hacked into their account and attached a rogue Instagram account to it somehow, and that got its account banned somehow, my friends. So what this person suggests and did, my friends, is that he bought a Meta verified account, Meta verification for his account for a trial of $1, my friends. So my friends, if we go to this website, I have put the link in the description box, and let's say I'm going to select Instagram. So this page pops up, my friends, and click next, sign up this profile, and they say they are going to charge $5 or something. So this means that this $1 trial for Meta verification of your account is not available for some countries, my friends. But if you are lucky somehow, my friends, and you buy this $1 trial for Meta verification, you can solve this problem by talking to the support. So all you need to do is tell the support that this was not your fault, and give them proof what they ask the Meta support team, and they will not only unban your Facebook account but also reinstate it into its former self, my friends, into its original state, even if the hacker made some changes to it, my friends. So please let me know in the comment section below if this method worked for you or not. Thanks for watching. Take care.